Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss when should you kill an ad. A lot of people debate about this topic on the net. If you have an ad set not performing very well, what do you do? If you keep it, you risk losing money. But this ad set could take time with Facebook algorithm to optimize. And if you kill it too early, you risk missing a winner ad set. It's a hard decision to take. In this lecture, I will give you the method I use to decide whether to kill an ad or not. Let's take an example to analyze it together. We will take 5 ad sets that we have run for 3 days. Let's consider that you are selling an ebook at $15, so your margin is $15, because in the ebook case, we neglect the costs. Let's calculate our daily budget by applying the rule I have taught you in a previous lecture. I will multiply 15 by 25, it will give me 375. Then I will divide it by 7 and then by 2. I get the final answer of 26. So I will run 5 different ad sets for 3 days at $26 per day. And I will use purchase as my conversion event. I know a lot of you don't have this budget. That's why you can choose the other method I have given you in the budget lecture before. Let's analyze the results after 1 day. So the first thing we have to do is to look at ad set number 3. We see here no sales. The cost per click is over $1 and the CTR link click is less than 1% and we have only 18 clicks. If we compare this ad set to others, it's too low. This ad set is clearly not profitable. I will definitely kill it after day 1. Let's analyze ad set 1 now. We see 0 sales, but we see a good number of clicks and a relatively good CPC. We also see 14 add to carts, which demonstrate some interest in this product, and a good CTR link click above 2%. So I will leave this ad set for now. Ad set 2 and ad set 4 are great. They made sales. The CPP is less than the margin, which is $15. So we made some profit here. The CPM is also great. We'll definitely keep these 2 ad sets for later. Ad set 4 might be a winner one. Concerning ad set 5, we've made a sale. The CPP is not that good. We have only 8 add to carts, relatively low if we compare it to other ad sets. So I will keep it to see the results of the second day. Let's move now to analyze the results of the 4 remaining ad sets after 2 days. After 2 days, we can see 2 purchases for the ad set 1. That's why it was wise to keep it, because the CPC is acceptable and we have seen a lot of add to carts. But our CPP now is $26, which is higher than our margin, so we are losing money. But it's okay. For now, we are still in the optimization phase, so we can accept to lose some money in order to let Facebook algorithm optimize our ad. Concerning ad set 5, we didn't make any sale in the second day. The CPC is above $1, which is relatively high for products having a $15 margin. The CTR has dropped and the CPM increased. And the most important data is the CPP. We already spent $52 to make 1 sale, so we lost $37. It seems that the 1 sale we have made on this ad set was by luck. For all the reasons above, I will shut down the ad set 5. Concerning adset 2, we have only made one sale in day 2, so 3 sales in total. The CPP increased from $13 to $17.33. So we are losing money now because the margin is equal to $15. The CPP also increased to $0.55. I will keep this adset to see what will happen in day 3. Let's analyze adset 4 now. So we have made 9 sales until now. The CPP is $5.7, which is better than before. The cost per click is okay. So the results of this adset are great. We'll definitely keep it. Let's analyze now the results after 3 days. So after 3 days with these adsets, we have seen that adset 2 began well, but it didn't perform well later. The CPP is $26 and the margin is $15. So we have lost $11 per each sale. I will definitely kill this adset. Adset 1 began with 0 sales but a lot of clicks and add to carts, which demonstrate interest from this audience. In the second day, it brought 2 sales, and in the third one, 4 sales. So Facebook algorithm took some time, and now this adset is performing much better. The CPP is $13, which means we have made $2 per sale. So overall, $12. I know this is not that great, but always remember that it's only the testing phase. You should not expect to make a lot of money. Your objective here is to gather data which will help you later to optimize your adset. Adset 4 is our winner adset with 15 sales in 3 days and with a CPP equal to $5.2, which is way less than our margin. This is the best ad so far. So what will happen now is that I will only keep adset 1 and adset 4 and do more investigations on both of them. So let's do a small calculation to see the results of these 3 days. In the first day, we spent 26 by 5 equal to $130. In the second day, we spent 26 by 4 equal to $104. In the third day, we spent 26 by 3 equal to $78. So in these 3 days, we spent 130 plus 104 plus 78 equal to $311. And we have made a total of 25 sales. The margin of each sale is $15. So we made $375. So our profit is equal to $375 minus $311 equal to $64, which is around $21 per day. While I know this number is not that good, but this is very normal. We are in the testing phase now, and we have to spend money on ads in order to get data and in order to help Facebook algorithm optimizing our ads. But once we find a very well optimized adset like the adset 4, we can scale and make much more money. If you are running a campaign to collect leads, you have to know how much you are willing to pay per lead. If you can make $15 of every lead, it means you can spend in ads up to $15 to acquire that lead. And you have to do the same analysis that I did. But the difference is that you won't have any add to cart, and instead of CPP, you will use CPL or cost per lead. I hope you enjoyed this lecture and you understood well when you should be killing your ads. If anything stayed unclear, please do not hesitate to rewatch this lecture again. Thank you for watching this lecture.